Hi friends, now we are going to learn the English alphabets. Totally there are 26 letters in English alphabets. Come, let us see the words related to the English alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for temple. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you friends for watching.